Introducing the 2026 Cupra Terramar VZ Ehybrid with 272 horsepower and a stunning purple exterior. This estate Jeep boasts a 1.5 litre engine combined with petrol plug-in hybrid electric power for optimal performance, packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, 360 view camera, and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride. With luxury trim, LED lights, and smart card entry, you'll experience top-notch styling and security. Plus, enjoy a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to learn more about this exceptional vehicle.